Bookkeeping is essential for any business, but it is especially important in the medical industry. Accurate financial records are crucial for making informed decisions about pricing, staffing, and investment. They are also necessary for compliance with government regulations. Medical bookkeeping can be complex, but there are resources available to help doctors, nurses, and hospitals manage their finances effectively. Medical bookkeeping differs from other industries in several ways. For example, medical practices must track revenue from multiple sources, including insurance companies, government programs, and patients. They also have to deal with a complex system of codes and regulations for billing and reimbursement. This complexity makes it essential for medical practices to have a strong understanding of bookkeeping principles. By carefully tracking revenue and expenses, medical practices can ensure their long-term financial stability. This allows them to continue providing high-quality care to their patients. Accurate revenue tracking is critical for the success of any medical practice. It allows practices to understand their financial performance, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions about their business. One of the most important aspects of revenue tracking is ensuring that all claims are submitted correctly and in a timely manner. Medical billing can be complex, and even small errors can lead to denied claims or delayed payments. By implementing strong billing practices, practices can minimize errors and improve their chances of receiving timely payments. Another important aspect of revenue tracking is monitoring key performance indicators, or KPIs. KPIs are metrics that can be used to track progress and identify areas where performance is lagging. Some common KPIs for medical practices include patient volume, average revenue per patient, and claim denial rates. By tracking these KPIs, practices can identify areas where they need to improve their revenue cycle management. Managing expenses is critical for the financial health of any medical practice. By carefully tracking and controlling expenses, practices can improve their profitability and ensure their long-term sustainability. One of the most important aspects of expense management is developing and adhering to a budget. A budget is a financial plan that outlines how a practice will allocate its resources over a period of time. By creating a budget and sticking to it, practices can avoid overspending and ensure that they have the financial resources they need to meet their obligations. Another important aspect of expense management is negotiating favorable contracts with vendors. Medical practices rely on a wide range of vendors for everything from medical supplies to office equipment. By negotiating favorable contracts, practices can save money and reduce their overall expenses. By carefully tracking and controlling expenses, practices can improve their profitability and ensure their long-term sustainability. Payroll and tax compliance are essential aspects of running a medical practice. Failing to comply with payroll and tax regulations can result in significant penalties and legal issues. One of the most important aspects of payroll compliance is ensuring that all employees are classified correctly. Employees can be classified as either employees or independent contractors, and each classification has different tax implications. Misclassifying employees can result in significant financial penalties. Another important aspect of payroll compliance is withholding the correct amount of taxes from employee wages. Employers are required to withhold federal income tax, Social Security tax, and Medicare tax from employee wages. They may also be required to withhold state and local taxes. Failing to withhold the correct amount of taxes can result in penalties and interest. Tax compliance involves filing all required tax returns accurately and on time. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for weekly accounting tips. And remember, at Fiscal Integrity Group, we bring light to your finances.